So in this problem, we're given that 20% of the passengers of a ship held round-trip tickets and also took their cars. So 20% of the people had both. And it says that 60% of the passengers with round-trip tickets, so if this is the people with round-trip tickets, 60% of those people did not take, so no cars, which means the remaining 40% of the people with round-trip tickets did take their cars. The question is asking what percent of the ship's passengers, meaning this, as a percentage of the total. So I usually do these problems with a tree. So let's say this is the total, all passengers. And so I have people who held round-trip tickets, and this is no round-trip. And I need to find this category as a percentage of all passengers. And I have this further breakdown. So if this is R, then I know 0.6 R are not holding, are not bringing any cars, whereas 0.54 R is bringing cars with them. And we know that this is the category that this portion of the problem is describing. That is 20% of all of the ship's passengers. So if the total number of passengers is T, this quantity is 20% of this quantity, which means that category is equal to 20% of T, or 0.2 T. So we're really describing the same category in two different ways. So the relationship we have is 0.2 T is 0.4 R. Since I need to know R as a percentage of T, really R over T times 100, this becomes R over T is 0.2 over 0.4, which is half, or 50%. So the correct answer is choice C.